We're gonna die, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Clary.
And I'm Mike.
If you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, and comment down below. Guess where we're at?
We have made it.
People feel right now. I wonder how they feel over there. I know, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I can't. Hey, I thought it was pluckers.
What?
Oh, but this is cool.
You see the cow?
Oh, the cow lived.
What you think, babe? You scared?
Nah, I ain't scared. I think it's pretty neat though.
Oh, yeah.
It's crazy. They have cameras.
Imagine we just hear chainsaw sound.
If I were there, I'll put a speaker somewhere like hidden, just play the chainsaw sound.
They have signs everywhere, no trespassing.
I thought it was a dead end over here.
I don't like watching this movie. It's scary.
I'll never forget the time that I watched this movie. I was like 7 years old and my dad took me to the movie theater because he wanted to watch it. I didn't want to watch it, but he wanted to watch it. And I was terrified. So now that's why to this day, I do not watch that movie.
This movie scares me so. Now we're here chilling in the corn.
No,
Let's take our maternity pictures again.
Oh, that's real. Hey, I did watch a vlog though. Somebody did take a corn. They're like, I got a corn.
Alright guys, you guys ready for pluckers?
So, I mean, you and Jerry should have a picnic right here and just watch.
No chainsaw. Am I?
I'm telling you, people, the review said that they are armed.
Oh, it is.
Dun dun dun.
I think they did that shit just to like stare y'all. To stare us and shit.
I'm hungry!
I will go through it. I will go through back there.
To run straight through.
Yeah, I'll run straight. I'll go through back there.
They do, they're armed.
No, you gotta do the D.
Closing the door for one. By the way, guys, we didn't bring Baby Michael with us because we came to Granger to see this house, and we didn't want to bring him with us just in case something happened.
He would have gave away our position.
Yeah, and then we're going to our favorite food restaurant for the first time since this pandemic. Are you excited?
I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this since the last time we was Valentine's Day, right?
Yeah, Valentine's Day. Transport ready, set, go. And we're here. Hey, where we got the kids menu?
What is kids menu?
What are we gonna order?
We are going to order the 20-piece jumbo wings, half spicy lemon pepper, half what do you get? Buffalo hot?
I get the buffalo hot. This one right here. We just ordered our drinks, and you order some cheese sticks.
Yeah, the cheese sticks are huge. So like,
yeah, we'll show you guys how.
Yeah, it is like that big.
They're big. If you ever come to Pluggers, strawberry lemonade is the go-to drink. These are the cheese sticks. They look like the Karina Garcia in Sachido.
You guys gonna have chips case if you guys want.
Oh wait, medium? Did you grab fries? Where's your food?
I'm dropping the wings so you breathe.
They eating without us.
She picked that mug up.
We haven't got nothing. When your whole family gets their food, but you don't.
Wanna try?
2 hours later.
Now they brought our food. I'm happy. Woo, they're winning.
I had a jalapeno in there. The hell?
And that's just loaded fries. Woo. I'm sleepy now. Just want to go home and go to sleep. 10:48. And we're out of here.
Finally.
So now we're gonna head home to Waco and go get our baby. Hey guys, it's the next day and we're gonna show you our big surprise that we told y'all on our last video, but we didn't get to finish our video last night because we got home late. So we were supposed to do this last night, but we fell asleep. We got home, we fell asleep.
Yeah, we're like, we'll do it the next day.
Yeah, so we're gonna unbox our surprise. You probably already saw in the video like how clear our vlog is. If you know what it is, comment down below.
Without further ado,
Let's get started.
we're gonna go straight to the meat and potatoes. We end up investing in Canon G7X. So if you don't know what it is, for those that know, you know. But if you don't, this is the mecca of YouTube cameras. All the popular YouTubers use this camera. I mean, you can look it up, search it, and you'll find this bad boy quick. This one is the PowerShot G7X Mark II.
So this whole time we've been recording with his iPhone 11. Don't get me wrong, the videos come out really, really nice with the iPhone.
It's not bad, honestly.
It's not bad, but we, as a family, wanted to invest in a Canon G7X because, you know, we just want good content for you guys.
Go big or go home. So we might as well go big. I mean, if we're gonna do this thing, then we might as well invest in our craft.
But we already opened this because we wanted to try it.
Somebody couldn't wait.
Yesterday, so we can like see how well it works and stuff. Yeah, I can't wait. Once I receive a package, I just want to open it.
But we didn't just get the camera, we actually got a bundle. Oh, sorry.
We're using the phone right now because we wanted to show you the camera. Here it is.
It's really small. It's like smaller than the iPhone.
The Canon G7X. Then we turn it on. Shows you guys the camera. And as you can see, here's the
See the screen?
It's pretty heavy when you're holding it with the tripod, but we're gonna show you everything we got in the box. And of course, we're gonna link everything down in the description box of where we purchased this, which was Amazon.
It's a really good bundle for a really good deal.
Okay, the first thing, of course, that we see is the little baggie for the camera, and it's pretty big from the inside. So the camera can fit. As you can see, we use a little towel to put the camera in.
This is it's a cloth, so you can clean like the lens with and stuff. And I believe this is it's a brush. Yeah, it's a brush. So when you open it, you pull it out. It's like a makeup brush in a way, and you can kind of dust.
So I really like this baggie. Plus, you can carry it anywhere you go.
It came with the extra battery, and it came with the digital reader and writer. So whenever you get done filming, you can put your SD card in there, and then put it to your computer and upload your footage to your computer, and you might start editing.
And then the next one is the memory card wallet. So this is where you put your memory card now. You can carry it with you wherever you go.
It's come really in handy. This is just to blow off any dust on the camera.
And the next thing you have is the Canon battery charger. So this is the battery right here. And then you click it in there and then it turns the light on that it's charging.
And then the most important thing we use, the tripod. The mini tripod.
This is what we use to hold ourselves when we just start.
It comes with the HDMI cord, so you can transfer your photos and videos from your camera. And I believe you can honestly hook it up to your computer as a monitor, or to a TV that has HDMI. So
this is how the camera looks with the tripod. It's very nice. It keeps you steady and stuff, but of course it's a little heavy because you try and keep a distance with because if you're like right here, you're too close and you can see in the lens on top, which is pretty good that the G7X comes with the thing so you can see yourself when you're trying to face the camera to yourself.
And the last but not least, this bad boy comes with a tripod and a travel bag. Of course, you got the legs that it can extend.
So this is a pretty good investment that we did. I mean, it's a little pricey, don't get me wrong. And if you have a phone, great, you can use your phone. You don't need to buy this thing, but this is what we decided together as a couple that, you know, we kind of want a camera so that way, like in case we need to use our phones for something, we don't have to stop constantly or like text our families and stuff like that. So we just...
Or if somebody calls us during the vlog, it cuts off.
Yeah, it cuts off, so we don't want to be interrupted. A big surprise is I'll be having my YouTube makeup channel.
We're working on that. That'll be launching soon. There's not a specific date yet, but if you follow us on our social media, we will let y'all know. So I'm gonna post them down here or up here. But we just hope that y'all are on this journey with us with this new camera.
And I hope y'all are happy that we bought one of these because we want good content for you guys.
And quality.
Yeah.
Good quality.
Probably once we hit like 500,000 or something, we'll probably do a giveaway with the G7X.
Or less. We have goals. Y'all have actually helped us reach a couple, and we're almost
to 100.
Almost to 100 subscribers. So tell your family and friends to watch us and subscribe if they want to see more of us. Seems like each video we get more views and more views. So that's our goal, is to keep getting better and better. And so that's gonna be it for today's video. We're gonna go ahead and close it out. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and turn on your post notifications for the next video. Until next time.
Love you guys.
Yes.
Mwah.
Oh, maybe Michael usually closes out. So I'm gonna have to close it out
Maybe
for
Mike's
him.
asleep, so he can't close it down today.